Hello. Where are we going? Where camera shy? Where are we going?
We are going to Houston Bosch at tignan natin if I can distract my jealous heart. Nakakaingit kasi, nag-scroll ka lang pampalipas ng oras tapos nakita mo mga influencers na parang ang perfect ng buhay nila. Lalong-lalo na yung mga ipinanganak na mayaman agad. It's probably their parents' hard work. I don't know. Hindi rin kailangang malaman. I'm just jealous, because they don't have to start from scratch. From zero. Nakakainggit, to be honest. It's not that I'm ungrateful. Inggitera lang ako. At minsan, I can't help but wonder kung ano pakiramdam maging katulad nila. I also question kung bakit parang andali lang sa kanila. They can eat what they want. Kaya nilang mag-travel kahit saan nila gusto. So, what you just heard ay ang taiko drum roll performance. Tradition ito sa Japan at sumisimbolo sa lakas at saya. Meron itong deep and loud sound gaya ng napakinggan nyo. But I was staring at the performers. I was just staring. Nakakainggit kasi. Stunning. The girlies look effortlessly beautiful. Nasa bandang unahan din kami nakapwesto kaya kita ko din na parang wala silang pores. Maybe I can find the flaw sa pagngiti nila. But no. Very pretty smile. And that posture, wow. Sana all na lang cause I'm jealous. Nandito pa din tayo sa Houston Bosch. Sa sobrang pagkainggitera ko, muntik ko pa makalimutan sabihin kung ano ang Houston Bosch. As you can see in my naturally chaotic video, ito ay theme park na nire-replika ang vibe ng Netherlands, kaya tinatawag nila itong Europe in Japan. By the way, libre lang tong gala na to. Kasama namin yung mag-asawang principal na kapitbahay namin. Lumibot pa kami sa park, still distracting my jealous heart. But I got jealous of the love I'm witnessing. Tinitignan ko yung mag-asawa. Nakakainggit kasi they shine together. Matatanda na sila kaya napapaisip ako kung paano nila napanatili yung warmth and connection. Simple lang sila. Makikita mga maliliit na gestures na may pagmamahal, care and attention. Parang ang dali lang. This place feels like a confession. So here I am, confessing that I'm a jealous girl. Indeed. I don't think na jealousy is wrong. Pwede, oo. Kung dahil sa inggit, naninira ka na ng tao, nananakit. Jealousy can be negative kung nagiging bitter ka na at hindi mo kayang maging masaya para sa iba. Kapag palagi mong kinukumpara sarili mo sa iba, kaya lalo kang pinanghihinaan ng loob. Sa madaling salita, ang pagkainggit ay mali only when it breeds bitterness, consumes your thoughts, and when it brings harm to others. Pero hindi naman talaga masama ang jealousy. It's not something na nakakahiya at kailangan mong itago. It's about recognizing your life cravings. Kung ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve, mga lugar na gusto mong mapuntahan, at mga bagay na gusto mong ma-experience. It means you're aware at gusto mo ding umusad. Let it guide you, motivate you, inspire you, move you. It's okay na naiinggit ka. Tao ka, not AI. The key is kung paano natin ito i-handle. Everyone is jealous at some point, kahit sino ka pa. In the end, inggitera ka din. Before I end this video, let me share what Unknown Genius said. Your jealousy often mirrors your unspoken dreams. That's it for today's video. Take what fits, leave the rest. Kung nagustuhan mo, please hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one, and please leave a comment down below if you want. Bye, jealous humans.